Ever wonder about the honey badger, nature's fearless warrior? With a length of up to 2.5 feet, this mammal is renowned for its unparalleled tenacity. Its skin is so tough, it can withstand bee stings, porcupine quills, and even arrows. But don't be fooled by its small stature. The honey badger is known to chase away lions and snatch food from much larger predators. It's even immune to venom, shrugging off bites from some of the world's deadliest snakes. This nocturnal creature is also incredibly intelligent, capable of using tools to catch prey or escape enclosures. And when it comes to food, it's not picky. It'll eat fruits, insects, small mammals, and yes, even honey. So next time you think of the honey badger, remember, it's much more than just a cute face. It's one of nature's most impressive survivalists.